Hey guys, Xiaomi is always trying to do something interesting with each of its newer smartphone. Xiaomi's new flagship is absolute beast. Xiaomi has gone all out with its Mi 11 Ultra. This new smartphone will be directly competing with the OnePlus 9 Pro and I think it has a slightly edge there. So in this video, we'll be taking a close look at Mi 11 Ultra's top 5 features. So it's everything that you should know about the Mi 11 Ultra. Interesting cameras. So let's begin with that huge camera module. This camera module covers the top part of the back panel. It has a triple camera setup. It is massively raised camera module which a lot of people may not like. But there's a reason for that massive bump and we'll get to that real quick. But this triple camera array consists of a 50 megapixel primary lens which uses Samsung ISOCELL GN2 sensor. Xiaomi and Samsung have co-developed the GN2 lens. It also uses 4:1 pixel binning tech. The second sensor is a 48 megapixel wide angle sensor and the third sensor is a 48 megapixel periscopic telephoto zoom lens. Now this 48 megapixel periscope lens is capable of 120x digital zoom which is even more than Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at least on paper. But a camera is not all hardware as software also plays very essential role here. So will this Mi 11 Ultra be able to beat Galaxy S21 Ultra at least in the zoom competition? That's what I'm excited for. Also, will this camera perform better than OnePlus 9 Pro's Hasselblad camera? We'll know after testing. Secondary tiny display. Now to answer the question, why is that camera bump so huge? First of all, because of that periscope lens, but most importantly because the secondary display that it has. So you don't have to look that close to notice the secondary display. It can mirror anything that is going on the main display panel. So if you open any app on the main display and want to show it to the world for some reason, you can do that. But mainly this display is here as a viewfinder if you wish to take selfies with that main 50 megapixel sensor. So you'll be able to use the rear cameras for taking selfies or for recording yourself in high resolution. So it's nice to have something like a secondary display. Though how often people are going to use it, that's still a question. Now if this video is informative or entertaining so far, a like would be really motivating. It will not just help us grow, but it will really make our day very special. All it takes is just a single tap on that like button. Newer battery technology. The Mi 11 Ultra features a newer battery technology that features silicon oxide for the anode. It will also come with a phase-changing cooling technology for more efficient cooling. A major factor about the Mi 11 Ultra is charging speed. Now this smartphone packs 5000 mAh battery which is good considering the main high resolution display panel and that tiny secondary display. It also supports 67 watt wired charging and that's fine. I mean 67 watt is fast no doubt, but for wired connection we have seen smartphones with 120 watt fast charging. But what's special is that this smartphone also supports 67 watt wireless charging and that's a big thing. The fact that you can charge your smartphone with high speed wirelessly is very comforting. Additionally, it also supports 10 watt reverse wireless charging. So if you want to charge your accessories like fitness trackers, smartwatches or earbuds wirelessly, you can do that. Crisp display panel. The Mi 11 Ultra consists of a 6.81-inch curved S AMOLED display panel. It comes with QHD Plus resolution. It also supports 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, so it's going to be smooth at the same time a sharp display panel. There's a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It is a hole punch display panel. There is a 20 megapixel selfie camera fitted within the hole punch cutout. So if you want a crisp and smooth display panel, Mi 11 Ultra has got you covered. Performance. And lastly, the performance, which is very important for any smartphone. Mi 11 Ultra is a true flagship from Xiaomi and for that it has a flagship processor under the hood. It is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 5G chipset. It will be available with various RAM options starting with 8GB. UFS 3.1 storage is also present here. This device comes with IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. It has dual stereo speakers tuned by Harman and Kardon. So that's everything you should know about the Mi 11 Ultra. Are you planning to get Mi 11 Ultra for yourself? Cause I am. Let me know in comments down below. Share this video with all your interested friends. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.